In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the country or region here on your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it's important to know that you cannot directly change the region of an existing PSN account. Instead, you do have to access a different region by creating a brand new PSN account and selecting the region that you want during setup. To do that, go ahead and start on the PS5 home screen and go to the user selection screen by hitting the PlayStation button on your controller, go to your profile icon and selecting it, and then from here, go ahead and go to switch user. Go over to the left, select add user, and then go ahead and hit get started, and then from here, go over to the right, hit I agree, and confirm. Go to the sign in manually option or create an account option right here and select one of those two. And in this section, you're immediately going to have the ability to create and choose a different region for that account. Now, this is only going to be possible during the account setup process, so make sure that you choose the right country and region that you do want that account to be based in. After selecting the region, continue through the setup by entering in the required details. You'll need obviously a valid email address that isn't already linked to another PlayStation Network account. But whenever your setup is complete, you'll have the brand new PSN account registered to that specific region, and you can now log into that account on your PS5 and access the PlayStation Store for that country or region. Just keep in mind, if you do want to purchase games or content from that store, you may need a payment method that matches that region, such as a gift card from that country, but that is it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.